One can be Fahrenheit, which is from 94 to 108 degree, or it can be Celsius, which is 34 to 40. In olden times we use Fahrenheit, but now the scale is on Celsius. Now the thermometers which can tell us about body temperature, they are called clinical thermometers. Now because body temperature range is not very high, normal average body temperature is about 36 degrees Celsius. That is why the thermometer is between 34 to 40. It cannot be less than 34 and it cannot be more than 40. So actually when we say that 36 degrees Celsius is the normal body temperature, this does not mean that every human being who is normal will have 36 degrees Celsius. There can be slight variation. It can be 35.8, it can be 36.2 and so on. But if we take the temperature of say about 100 people, then the average of their body temperature will be 36 degrees Celsius. So that is taken as the normal body temperature, and this is called a clinical thermometer. So how do we measure the temperature? The steps are, first take the thermometer and wash it with water, and preferably in some antiseptic solution, because everybody uses it. And everybody puts it in mouth. If you use it without washing it properly, then all the germs can enter in your mouth. So the first step is wash thermometer properly in antiseptic solution. Then you have to give it a shake. Why this is done? So that mercury level falls below 36. If it is already above 36, then how will it tell your body temperature? Then after you have given it a shake, you have to put it in your mouth below the tongue and keep it there for some time. After it has been there for 2 or 3 minutes, then you take it out and you put it right in your line of sight like this. If you are not able to see, then you can just rotate it a little. You will be able to see the shining thread, which is mercury thread, and where it ends, then you read that degree, and that will tell you your exact body temperature. Now there are some precautions that you can take. You know, it is made up of glass, so you have to be very careful while shaking it or while keeping it. It is normally kept inside a case, because if it even touches a hard object, it will break and mercury will spill, and mercury is toxic. That means it is poisonous. So, and it is very difficult to, it will not dissolve, nothing will happen. Mercury is a metal. It is the only metal which is in liquid state at room temperature. So, you have to be very careful. One is you will lose your money if thermometer will break, and secondly a toxic material will be inside your house, though in small quantity. So, these are some of the precautions which you must take while taking the temperature.